Hi, my name is Dan Lohmeyer, and I'm very excited to be here with you today to share a brief overview around Cisco One software. So, at a very high level, what is Cisco One software? Simply put, it's a more flexible and valuable way for customers to consume Cisco software capabilities. And perhaps the best way of explaining that is to compare how we've sold our software in the past, a very hardware-centric model, to how we're going to sell in the future with Cisco One software. So 3 things change. Number 1, we're moving from having hundreds of individually licensed, sold, and priced software features that are attached to our devices to having a simplified set of software suites. Those suites will cut across the data center, the wide area network, and the access domains, and they'll be offered as a solution for our customers. So that's key change number 1. Key change number 2 is we're going to move from a world of having those software licenses be very closely attached to each of the individual hardware devices, and we're simply going to adopt a set of modern software paradigms, namely software license portability and ongoing innovation. Software license portability. What that means is customers can transfer the licenses that they purchase on one device to the replacement device, to the next generation device, between a physical machine and a virtual machine, but will protect their investment that they make in Cisco software through that license portability. Ongoing innovation. What this means is that as Cisco continues to innovate, either through our internal R&D or through acquisition of other companies, and as we put those capabilities into Cisco One, we'll simply entitle our existing Cisco One customers to those new capabilities. Both of these are very powerful, valuable additions for our customers in the Cisco One model. And then number 3, we'll give customers more flexibility in how they license their software. We'll move from having software licenses that were really just perpetual and only existed for the lifetime of the box, and we'll give them more choices. We'll continue to support perpetual licenses, and because of software license portability, they'll actually be perpetual licenses, but we'll also give customers the flexibility to license their software in a subscription model. Additionally, we'll use the Cisco One software offers to enable a set of enterprise license agreements for our core infrastructure and networking software. So similar to how you're familiar with ELAs or enterprise license agreements for collaboration and security, we'll enable that for all of our core infrastructure and networking software across the data center, WAN, and access domains using Cisco One software. So again, these are the 3 key things that change with Cisco One. The introduction of simplified software suites, software license portability, access to ongoing innovation, and then more flexibility in how customers license their software. So what does the Cisco One software map actually look like? Quite simply, we have 3 offers across each of our different domains. So when you think about the data center, the wide area network, and the access domains, within each of those, we will have a foundation offer, an advanced application offer, and an advanced security offer. So very quickly, what you can see is we've gone from having 10, 20, 100 different features to simply 3 offers for each domain. So if you're buying a Nexus switch, 3 offers. There's a foundation for networking, the data center fabric, and then there's this threat defense for data center overlay delivered on an ASA platform. If you're buying a Catalyst switch, 3 offers. There's a foundation for switching, a campus fabric, and then an identity services for access security overlay. So what we've done here is we've really simplified the model and moved from having a lot of different features to really 3 offers in each domain. The other thing that we've done to simplify this is we've defined the pricing meters for each of these to be simply based upon the number of devices. Now, in the past, you would have to think about per device licenses, per user licenses, per seat licenses, a number of different types of licenses. With Cisco One, it's very simple. If you buy 1 device, you need 1 license of Cisco One. And that's true across Nexus, across Catalyst, across our wireless devices, across our routers. It's even true for UCS. If you buy 1 UCS server, doesn't matter the parameters, doesn't matter the configuration, you simply need 1 license of Foundation for Compute or 1 license of Enterprise Cloud. So this is the overall portfolio of Cisco One. There's a lot of power in this portfolio. We're going to do a more thorough briefing around what exactly is Cisco One but I wanted to whet your appetite and give you the very high-level overview so you have a good sense of what Cisco One software is. Thank you for taking the time to listen.